Open the package and take out all the items inside. Accessories. Toolbox. Manual. Pedals. Front quick-release skewer. Parking bracket. Transmission protection driver. Tower adapter. Toolkit. Instrument screws. Use a 4mm Allen wrench. Remove the aluminum top cap screws on the front fork. Remove the aluminum opening. Install the front insert. Place the aluminum opening. Pay attention to the installation direction. Then place the top cap. Push the button on the power tube handle upward. Open the handle. Insert the power tube into the front and attach the aluminum top cover. Tighten the screws. Install the handlebars. Make sure the concave surface of the handle is aligned with the convex surface of the riser, then tighten it. Use a 5mm hex wrench to remove the parking stand screws. Place the parking stand in the designated frame position and lock the screws. Remove the front fork protector bar with a 17mm open-end wrench. Remove the brake protector. Remove the nut on one end of the quick-release lever. Pass it through the front wheel hub. On the other side, place the conical spring and safety hook. Tighten the nut. Lift the front fork. Place the front wheel. Ensure the disc rotor is positioned between the disc brake pads. Hook the safety hook onto the front fork. Tighten the lever on the handle. Remove the mudguard screws with a 4mm hex wrench. Insert the fender and tighten the screws. Install the front light. Tighten the screws. Adjust the handlebars to ensure the front wheel is in line with the frame, then tighten the power tube screws. Use a 5mm Allen wrench. Adjust the brake lever angle. Tighten the screws. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to tighten the shifter screws. The pedal marked with the letter L is for the left side. Screw it in counterclockwise. Use a 15mm open-end wrench. The pedal marked with the letter R is for the right side. Screw it in clockwise. Install the seat, open the seat clamp, and place the saddle. Demonstration of the transmission system. Demonstration of the gear shifter. Long press the power button. Click the plus button to set the gear to the first. Press the drive stop button for rear wheel drive. Long press the light button to turn on the front light. Battery installation and removal demonstration. Take out the battery pack. Click the battery button to display the battery level. Place the battery and it will automatically lock.